Hey everybody, so I'm coming to you from my kitchen. Yeah. So I told you I was leveling up my business. I am now offering digital invitations on my Etsy page and my link in my bio. It shows that I'm now giving a Spider-Man version of digital edible in Canva. It also comes with a cute package of gift favors that you can mark up on your own. You can mark it as you like. You can change the pictures. It's edible. I'm also giving all parents 20% off if you're a parent. 20% belongs to you. My link is in my bio. My Etsy is in my bio. It's under invitations. Spider-Man is the first one. This is one of my best sellers on my site. And I think now of revamping things, making it very easy for you to retrieve it automatically instead of going through me. This just give you easy access, and that's the thing I'm trying to change with a lot of things with my business. More to come. This is the first. All of the party favors inside, for example, is water bottles, candy, chips, Capri Suns. All are template markups that you can go into the Canva program once you click on the link, and it will take you there and you can mark it up. Or if you're using Spider-Man, use Spider-Man or change them for your own business or for whatever you're trying to use them for. I appreciate it. Thank you. And more to come. This is only step one. Peace.